Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Car Question. You know, I like to tease you when we're gonna have new stuff for you this year, and we have a lot of project going on. And I want to make you think about something. You know, when was the last time that you think about your battery in your car? Yeah, been a long time, man. Simon from Exide, welcome, man. You're gonna have some new stuff for us because a battery, it's been like over 50 years and nothing has changed in those components.
Pretty much. We came up with the AGM technology back in mid-90s. AGM stands for absorbed glass mat. Since, nothing really has been new in the battery market. However, Exide has developed in Europe a new technology that we're bringing on board in the upcoming months.
Energy consumption in car changed a lot over time. You know, back in the old days, the halogen lights, now it's more LED, but the computer, the software, the Wi-Fi, the car is consuming more and more energy as it rolls.
Yeah, but it's even, you know, the part on the road with the key on is one thing, but you also have the key off situations. You know, you get home at night, you turn off the car, get in, have dinner. Well, the car is still an energy consumption. It's not a lot, but it's still in milliamps. It could add up and you know, drain your battery over time.
You're right, because more and more we're gonna have software update through the Wi-Fi, through the 4G LTE network, and guess what? Your car has to be ready to get that information, do an update, and start in the morning. During the heat, during the cold, it has to start. So guys out there, we're gonna do another video real soon about battery, but still, I want your question right now in the comment section down there below. Also, if you have any bad experience with your battery, you know, in the cold here in Quebec, it's probably the worst part. We've got a lot of great stories about that. And remember, choose the right battery also is really important. Simon, we're gonna have you back. Bring me some fresh news.
Thank you.
Thumbs up, subscribe guys, see you later.